Hello everyone, welcome in my channel Windows Form. Today I'm going to show you get all the customers who are registered in the bank accounts, or you can say the get the all customer details in Windows Form. This is a simple things you can do in using entity framework. First of all, add a label with the get all customers list. All customer, you can say, increase the size for modifications of your Windows Form GUI desktop applications, and after that you can add some code using get all the customers from your database table who are enrolled and who are open accounts in the bank. Okay, so using entity framework we can do easily. So first of all, make a object of the context class, that is banking db entities 1, and after that we can get the list of the banking db entities. Use the reference of this object bs.user accounts, that is the public property of the context class .toolist to get all the customers who are enrolled in the bank account. We can bind this data grid view with the items. Okay, so now save this and run your code. First of all, change the start form, that is customer list, and here is okay. But if you want to some modification in the columns and you want to show only those columns you want, okay, so first of all, remove auto generated columns is false, that is auto generated columns, and after that make some columns and also bind that properties with the data properties. So add some columns. Okay, so first of all, check your database table, and your database table have user accounts table, and in the user account tables we have some columns like account number, name, date of birth, phone number, address, district, state, pictures, gender. If you want to get all the customers, then necessary things we can add in the data grid view, that is account number, name, date of birth, and the balance, like, okay. So in the header text you can enter user friendly text, and in the name column must to uniqueness, because a name column is represent the unique text box. Okay, so each text box in the data grid view is must to unique. So if you getting errors like the name is the, if you put the name as like your name, then must to get an error. You can check in the name text box name. Okay, yeah, you're getting error because the name property cannot implicitly name, so you can must to change your name property, edit columns, name, and here is the name property. You can enter any name like the customer name. Okay, again start it, but your header is there but no visible data in this account, so must to add the data public properties. Okay, so add edit columns, account number is data property name is account number, so must to write here is the similar name which is enter in your database table, that is name and the name, and DOB, the date of birth is replaced with the DOB because the database table have with the DOB field name. So you can do this, and also you can design the updation form in this tutorial, and after that we can add some code for the updation form, you can say update and the search records of the customers. So you can get the result. Okay.